Doorknob. You'll need the following materials and tools. 1. Cut the 1/4-inch dowel into 13 pieces, 8 centimeters in length. 2. Put the holes in the cardboard tubes, unless you prefer to have students do this. The holes should allow the dowel to fit through. 3. Make all the folds on part E. 4. Glue and/or tape part E to form the bolt of the door. 5. Make all of the folds on part D. 6. Glue and/or tape part D to form a square tube into which part G will fit. 7. Make all the folds on part C. 8. Glue and/or tape part C to form the door. 9. Fold part F. 10. Slide part F into the door so that it rests in the middle of the bottom of the door. This piece forms a support for the bolt and its housing. 11. Slide a sponge cube into part D at the very back. 12. Slide part G into part D so that the hole in part G lines up with the hole in part D. 13. The sponge cube should push the bolt out about 2 centimeters, but you should be able to push the bolt in until it's even with the edge of the door. You may need another sponge cube. 14. You may wish to put a little glue on top of part F, the support. 15. Slide parts D and G into the small hole in the door so that the holes are on top. 16. Tape the flaps on the end of part D to the door to secure it in place. 17. Make holes in both sides of the cardboard tube, opposite each other, in the exact middle of the tube. This can be done by making a slit with a utility knife, then widening the hole with a pencil. The holes should accommodate the 1/4-inch dowel. If you don't want students to do this, you'll have to prepare the other 12 cardboard tubes in the same way. 18. Slide the cardboard tube through the round holes in the door. It should be centered through the door. 19. Insert the dowel into the holes you put in the cardboard tube. 20. Rotate the cardboard tube and then continue sliding the dowel until it fits through the holes in part D and G. It should reach the bottom of part G. 21. Test out the doorknob to make sure it works. 22. Make the folds in part A. 23. Glue and/or tape part A to make the door frame. 24. Fold up the sides of part B. 25. Attach the door frame, part A, into part B. 26. Fold the 2 part Gs. These are the hinges. 27. Fit the door into the frame. 28. Attach the hinges to the door opposite the knob with the fold in the gap between the door and the frame. Let the glue set. 29. Attach the bottle caps to the ends of the cardboard tube with a bit of hot glue. Now you're ready to use the doorknob.